Alright, so just so we're back in the same spot, so we got Travis's forward operating base. This is all still functional. Taylor's wiping out the back end of it. Larry's trying to survive. We see that Travis still has 12, 31, and no trade. We see that Joel has a little bit of gold, 20 and 20, so he's probably got the best all-around civ on his side. And then Larry is essentially dead, down to 60 units. He's got 11 on food. He's got a ton of stuff in the bank, but not a lot going on. On the other side, I have 17 on wood and 12 on gold. And so not a lot, and no food. No food. So doing a little bit better. We look at Alex is the most healthy of everyone. He's got 30 and 46 and has been just pumping at fighting Travis, we see over here. And Taylor is 18 and 40 with 20 on gold as well. So essentially what we see here is that Travis has gone around. He's wiped out. All of this used to be my base. And then down, and this was my second base. And then he kept going around. He's made it all the way to here with troops. You see that Taylor's base is still pretty intact. And Larry's base is wrecked. Taylor is just absolutely wrecked what little is left of Larry's once very mighty offense. And we see that Taylor is right now attacking Travis. He's not looking at Joel, and nor is Joel looking at Alex. So essentially Alex is fighting Travis while Taylor is just kind of wiping everyone out. Travis did say that I had a bunch of Teutonic Knights. I did build these at the very end. So I guess I did have some Teutonic Knights, but it was more out of necessity to just have something rather than anything else. Let's see what's going on. Oh, Travis is once again in the trade. I'm trying so hard to keep this is the last of my stuff. I believe that this is the last of Larry's stuff, but he's going. We see that Taylor is continuing on rampaging, and Joel has quit. So this game was really close to ending anyways. So with Joel quitting, that means that everyone's close to quitting right now. Larry's quitting, and Travis, give up the ghost, you dirty rogue. Maybe, well, there it goes. So, we're going to leave the map. We're going to look at some stuff. So, military-wise, Travis wrecked this game. Taylor wasn't far behind, though. Taylor had the best economy. Technology-wise, that goes to Joel. Let's see here. I'm surprised that Alex's military score was so low, because he was fighting Travis pretty much the whole game. But, I mean, I guess that's what happens when you lose a ton of troops. So, when we look at raised buildings, Travis, by all accounts, should have won this game. He raised 193 buildings as compared to Taylor only raising 62. I mean, that's massive. But the issue was, Travis was really focusing on me with 125 versus the 193. So, that was really big. Whereas Taylor lost 55. So Taylor lost a lot of buildings. Well, I think that a lot of those were forward buildings. But like Larry only lost 60 buildings. It is what it is when we look at economies. Larry and Joel were feeding each other that whole game. Travis had the best trade profit. There you go. Who'd have thought? Travis the tradesman, and then Taylor won all of these. Holy cow. So, that was entertaining. Look at technology. Travis was the fastest on all three fronts. Boom, boom, boom. But I'd just like to point out, I was right on his tail right there. But it's fine. We look at society. Larry and Travis with the castles. There's a lot of Larry and Travis. Taylor won this game. I cut through, and that was really big because it did enough. But to say that Tanner won the game, I think is a little strong. Taylor won the game. Taylor played an amazing game. Oh, Travis is getting into Taylor. So, yeah, I'm a little surprised that they quit just because, like, I don't know that it was totally over. Although, me taking out some of Travis's stuff may have done it. But, you never know. So, alright, GG, thanks for watching, guys. Hasta luego.